The main strategy that has gotten my dad into the stratosphere of content, and even my own content, has been Facebook and YouTube Lives. Okay, so on the platform called ManyChat, if you guys don't know what this is already, you need to dive into it. It's module 11, but it's one of the best opportunities today in the world of marketing. Make sure that you guys keep on learning about it. There are some updates on it, and one of the major updates is that you can now import a list of emails and phone numbers into ManyChat, and you can make that list connect with the actual Facebook user on Messenger. So it connects with the person once you upload it by matching the data. Or once you set up a broadcast and you send out a message to these people on email, once they click on it, or an SMS, they click on it, it connects the data together, all right? So it's a very cool update that is gonna allow us to have a multi-channel, which is fully set up and coordinated one with the other. IGTV content. Instagram TV content right now is hot, and if you guys are not aware of it, whatever you're doing on YouTube, you need to get that going, because it's going to be an important platform as it keeps on developing as a standalone marketing and social media platform just by itself without Instagram, all right? So make sure that you keep on learning about this and start getting your content rolling on the platform. So what is the hottest thing that I am seeing right now across social media? The hottest thing that I am seeing right now that you all should be incorporating if you haven't done so yet is Facebook and YouTube live content. We are going now into a social media live communication era. And for the next couple of months, the more that you do this, the more real you're gonna become to your audience, and the more you're gonna step above the level of the rest of the population in social media. So make sure that you are doing inside your strategy, a strategy to do Facebook Lives and YouTube Lives as much as possible. The main strategy that has gotten my dad into the stratosphere of content, and even my own content, has been Facebook and YouTube Lives. So this is the hottest thing that I am seeing right now, and Facebook and YouTube, they are both pushing the content live out there. Get that content strategy rolling, all right? I talk about that throughout the course. I do mention Facebook Lives, but right now it's more important than ever. Facebook is giving love in the algorithm to people that are doing a lot of Facebook Lives. It doesn't happen on your first one, it snowballs. So you gotta do one, you gotta do another one, and you gotta do another one, and you gotta keep it going. And if you do so, Facebook will continue to give you power, and you can even advertise those same Facebook Lives, and this is actually covered on the Facebook Masters course. On Module 7, you will know how to grab an existing post from Facebook and use it as an advertising tool to capture new audiences. And there's nothing better than a Facebook Live for that right now. It makes you real, okay? While I'm here, I wanted to show you guys something on my screen, but it's better for me to show it to you on the phone since I'm connected here. It's pretty cool because I'm connected with my phone wirelessly, all right? Somebody was asking, how do they do YouTube Live on the phone? So I'm gonna go back here and show you guys. I'm talking about the housekeeping, and I did mention that one of the most important things, and I talked about this quite a bit, right, which is Facebook and YouTube Lives. I wanna make sure that you guys start doing that in your content because it's that important, and it's very simple to get done. People ask me, how do I do this on YouTube? Well, let me show you. I go to YouTube, and I'm inside the app here. You can have all the different YouTube channels that you handle. I got Chick Corea, I got Metabolismo TV, Dr. Berg, I got Grant Cardone, I got all these guys in here. I choose one, right? Let's say, for example, I wanna go live on Manuel Suarez. I'm gonna go here, select this one over here. There is a button over here on the top right. When you're inside your YouTube channel, that all you gotta do is click on that one and follow the steps. It's very simple to do, to go live on YouTube right now. It wasn't before. Facebook was first. Also on the mobile app, you're gonna have that button right there that looks like a camera. Phoenix is zooming into it right now. It looks like a little camera. You press that button, you enter your title, you select whether you're public or unlisted or private. Obviously you wanna go public, and you are gonna take a picture for your thumbnail, and then you're gonna go live to the world, all right? So it's as simple as that in a couple of steps so you can broadcast to the world for the YouTube platform. It's very easy to do inside a desktop if you have a webcam, or with your phone directly by pressing a few buttons only, all right? So to get that done. On Facebook Live, there's two apps that you can use to be able to go live. One of them is called Facebook, which is the blue icon that you guys are all familiar with. And the other one is called Facebook Page.